Hello friends, today we'll discuss questions from data interpretation, and this comes in the math section and it's very important from examination point of view. So as you can see, there's a pie chart, and I request all of you to be ready with a pen and paper and try to draw this pie chart, or you can revisit this image and try to solve the questions. We'll discuss 5 questions, and once we are done with 5 questions we'll go to the explanation. So I request all of you to pause the video and try to solve this, and then we'll go to the explanation once we are done with 5 questions. So without wasting any time, let us go to the first question. The basic fuel expenditure of a country is dominated by 4 major uses: domestic, transport, industry, and electricity. In 1992, the total amount of energy used was equivalent to 600 million tons of coal. So, as you can see the pie chart, there's industry, domestic, transport, others, electricity, 110 degree, 45 degree, 80 degree, 20 degree, and 105 degree respectively. So, let us go to the first question. The energy consumed for other purposes is approximately what percentage of total energy consumed for the other 4 major uses in 1992 was? Option A 5%, option B 6%, option C 20%, option D 33%, or option E none of this. As mentioned, we'll discuss the explanation later. First, you try to pause the video and try to solve this question. Okay, let us go to the next question. What is the difference between energy used for domestic purposes and other purposes in the country in 1992? A 35.33 million tons of coal, B 41.67 million tons of coal, C 52.75 million tons of coal, D cannot be determined, or E none of this. Again, pause the video and try to solve this. Moving to the next question. The difference between the fuel consumption of industry and transport in 1982 was equal to: option A 30 million tons of coal, option B 45 million tons of coal, option C 50 million tons of coal, option D 57 million tons of coal, or option E none of this. Moving to the next question. If the energy requirement of electricity in 1992 were 350 million tons, the amount of additional primary energy required would be: A 600 million tons of coal, B 1200 million tons of coal, C 1810 million tons of coal, D 2100 million tons of coal, or E none of this. Again, I request all of you to pause the video and try to solve this. Moving to the last question. If instead of coal, oil has been used in industry purposes, and if 1 ton of coal is equivalent to 3-4 tons of oil, what approximate amount of oil will be required in industry? Option A 132.6 million tons, option B 134.6 million tons, option C 126 million tons, option D 122.6 million tons, or option E none of this. Okay, so we are done with 5 questions, and I hope that you all are ready with the answers. So let us go to the explanation. Okay, so this is the explanation of the first question. Energy used for other purpose is equal to 20 degree. Total energy used for 4 major areas is equal to 110 degree plus 105 degrees plus 45 degree plus 80 degree, which is equal to 340 degree. So required percentage is equal to 20 by 340 into 100, which is equal to 5.88%, which is approximately 6%. Remember, you are being asked to find out the approximate answer and not the exact. Hence, option B, which is 6%, is correct. Moving to the next explanation. As per the given data, difference between energy used for domestic purpose and other purposes is equal to 45 degree minus 20 degree is equal to 25 degree. Now 360 degree is equivalent to 600 million tons. Then 25 degree is equal to 600 by 360 into 25, which is equal to 41.67 million tons. Hence, option B, which is 41.67 million tons of coal, is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the explanation of the third question. The difference between fuel consumption of industry and transport in degrees is equal to 110 degree minus 80 degree, which is equal to 30 degree. Now, as 360 degree is equal to 600 million tons and 30 degree, you can find out the value of 30 degree, which is equal to 600 by 360 into 30, which is equal to 50 million tons. Hence option C, which is 50 million tons of coal, is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. So here in the explanation you can see electricity consumed is equal to 105 degree. Let's assume the total energy requirement be x million tons. Then 105 degree, you can see 105 degree has become 350, so 360 degree will become. In order to find out, first you have to do 350 by 105 into 360, which is equal to 1200. After getting this answer, additional energy required is equal to 1200 minus 600, which is equal to 600 million tons. Hence option A is the correct answer. Moving to the last explanation. It's given 1 ton of coal is equal to 0.75 tons of oil. 600 million tons is equal to 0.75 into 600, which is equal to 450 million tons. Now consumption of oil in industry is 110 by 360 into 450, which is equal to 137.5 million tons. Hence option E is the correct answer. Okay, that's all from today's session. We have discussed around 5 questions in the data interpretation. We'll come with various parts in order to make this particular section a cakewalk. So do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.